While visions of a frigid, snow-covered Siberia or Moscow might dominate our thoughts of Russia, the country's vast steppes and plains allow it to be one of the world's top producers of crops like barley, oat, rye, and wheat. These crops play a key role in generating over $15 billion in exports for the country every year. As it looks to capitalize on resources outside of oil and gas, Russia is reportedly looking to increase grain production by as much as 25% over the next 15 years. The first step is investing an estimated $80 billion to develop 190,000 square miles, or about 122 million acres, of additional farmland. But just like any production ramp-up, Russia is not only looking at its raw materials, but the equipment that it will need to help reach these goals, including unmanned agricultural machinery. The end goal is to have unmanned harvesting equipment in the fields by 2018. Additional planting, fertilizing, and weeding equipment would follow, some of which could incorporate drone technology as a way to monitor field conditions and making key pesticide application and irrigation decisions. As far as how much government and private funding has been invested in the technology, reports vary from $4 to $6 million over the next 2 years to as much as $230 million over the next 5. Now, the concept of unmanned vehicles in farming is nothing new, but the Russians appear to be working on more than just retrofitted tractors or systems dependent on embedded sensors and highly regimented field row constructs. Unmanned harvesting equipment would be a huge solution in addressing worker shortages, timely food production challenges, and it would give Russian farmers a significant global advantage. From an unmanned equipment perspective, a durable receiver still needs to be developed for the GLONASS GPS navigation system, but the bigger challenges lie in producing dual controllers for both the vehicle and any hydraulics associated with the working field machinery. Early projections have unmanned functionality only adding about 20% to the cost of current versions of the equipment. The problem is that easily becomes another $60,000 to $100,000 when looking at the end prices of quality combines and harvesters. I'm Jeff Ranke, and this is IEN Now.